Hello, lovers of technology. A few weeks ago, we examined the initial leaks regarding the iPhone 16, paying particular attention to the larger screen sizes of the 16 Pro Max, which has a 6.9-inch display, and the 16 Pro, which now has a 6.3-inch display. Today, we're back with 5 more exciting updates that are sure to capture your interest. But before we dive in, a quick shout out to our sponsor, Dreevy TechGers L20 Ultra, which offers a comprehensive home clinic experience with its low-maintenance, multi-purpose automatic base station. Check it out through the link below and stay tuned for more details later in the video. Now let's get to the first major leak, and it's all about the Ultra module. While the iPhone 15 Pro relied on the same Ultra module as its predecessor, the iPhone 14 Pro, the magic lay in Apple's new Smart HDR5 processor. The results from the 15 Pro's ultra-wide lens were notably superior, especially in low-light conditions. The exciting news for the iPhone 16 Pro suggests a substantial upgrade to a 48-megapixel sensor from the current 12. This places Apple in the lead of Android phones with similar megapixel counts, but knowing Apple, they'll likely introduce a high-end sensor supporting pixel binning. This promises not only exceptional daytime images, but also potential enhancements in low-light photography. Additionally, you may see the ability to shoot in ProRes at 48 megapixels, a feature currently exclusive to the main module. If you've been enjoying the wallpapers from our iPhone 16 renders, they're all available on our app Wallpapers with 16 stunning packs, including recent releases like Prism Pathway and Arabian Abstracts. New packs drop every Friday, so don't miss out. Now, onto a game-changing update, the Apple A18 Pro chip. Following the introduction of the A7 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pros, the standard iPhone 15s received the A16 chip. However, the upcoming iPhone 16s are expected to feature the A18 chip, with the A18 Pro reserved for the iPhone 16 Pro. According to reports, both chips will be manufactured on TSMC's cutting-edge M3E process, signaling a significant advancement over the current M3 used for the A17 Pro. This move hints at a brand new chip design, promising increased performance and efficiency. Given the A17 Pro's remarkable capabilities, the A18 series is poised to deliver an even more impressive performance, offering users a truly enhanced experience. But wait, there's more, a fascinating development in display technology. Since the iPhone 14 Pros, Apple has excelled in brightness levels, reaching up to 2000 nits for excellent visibility in direct sunlight. Rumors suggest Apple is exploring the use of microlink technology to reduce OLED display power consumption. This opens 2 possibilities: maintaining the same brightness with increased battery efficiency, or boosting brightness while retaining the current power consumption. To stay competitive, Apple may opt for the latter, potentially reaching brightness levels around 2500 nits. To address thermal concerns, Apple is reportedly working on a graphene thermal system for the iPhone 16, ensuring sustained brightness during extended usage, particularly in demanding scenarios like gaming. Now for a groundbreaking revelation: Wi-Fi 7 support. Analyst Jeffo reports that the iPhone 16 will be one of the first devices to embrace Wi-Fi 7, set to launch in 2024. This standard promises astonishing speeds of up to 46 GHz, surpassing even Thunderbolt 4 speeds. This opens doors to wireless possibilities previously unimaginable, from lightning-fast file transfers to seamless connectivity with future Apple devices. Exciting times lie ahead for iPhone enthusiasts, and we can't wait to see these advancements in action. What are your thoughts on these updates? Feel free to share your opinions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more future updates. Until next time, stay tech bye-bye.